Welcome. In this video, you will listen to 500 simple English sentences. These sentences are used in real life, every day. You don't need to study or memorize. Just listen and repeat if you want. You can play this video anytime. Little by little, your English will feel more natural. Relax, stay calm, and enjoy. Let's begin.
Opinions and thoughts. I think it's a good idea. I don't think so. In my opinion, it makes sense. I agree with you. I don't really agree. I see your point. From my point of view, it's risky. I believe it can work. I'm not sure about that. It depends on the situation. What I mean is this. As far as I know, it's true. I might be wrong, but if you ask me, it's better this way. I don't have a strong opinion. Conversation and interaction. What do you think? Do you know what I mean? Let me explain. It's hard to explain. That's a good question. I didn't get that. Can you say that again? Could you explain it? That makes sense. I get it now. Exactly. Not really. Kind of. More or less. That's what I'm saying. Time, routine, and habits. I usually wake up early. I don't have much time. I'm running out of time. I'll do it later. I've been busy lately. I'm used to it. I'm trying to change that. I do it every day. I don't do it very often. I used to do that. These days, I'm working a lot. At the moment, I'm focused on this. From time to time, I travel. It takes a lot of time. I need more time. Work and studies. I work in finance. I'm studying English right now. I'm trying to improve my skills. It's part of my job. I'm responsible for that. I work from home. I'm looking for new opportunities. It's not easy, but I'm learning. I need to focus more. I'm still learning. I have some experience with this. I'm not familiar with that. I deal with this every day. It's challenging, but interesting. I need to practice more. Emotions and feelings. I feel good about it. I'm not comfortable with that. I'm a bit tired today. I feel motivated. I'm worried about this. It makes me happy. It stresses me out. I'm frustrated. I feel confident. I'm not in the mood. I feel like doing something else. I'm excited about it. I'm calm now. I don't feel well today. It doesn't bother me. Problems, decisions, and solutions. I have a problem. I'm trying to fix it. It's not working. I need to figure it out. I don't know what to do. I'll think about it. I need to make a decision. I'll give it a try. Let's see what happens. It's up to you. That's not an option. It's worth trying. I'll deal with it later. There's no other way. I made a mistake. Everyday life and general topics. I'm at home right now. I'm on my way. I'll be there soon. I don't feel like going out. I need to save money. I'm thinking about the future. It's getting better. Things happen. That's life. I'll see you later. Travel and transportation. I'm planning a trip. I'll book the ticket online. I need to pack my bags. I'm traveling next week. I arrived yesterday. I'm staying near downtown. It's my first time here. I got lost. Can you show me the way? It's close to here. It's far from here. I'll take a taxi. I prefer public transport. How long does it take? I missed my flight. The flight was delayed. I need to check in. I'm looking for my hotel. I enjoyed the trip. I'd like to come back. Social life, friends, and networking. Nice to meet you. How do you know him? We've known each other for years. We get along well. I don't know her very well. We talked for a while. We have a lot in common. Let's keep in touch. I'll text you later. We met by chance. I was introduced to him. We had a good time. It was nice talking to you. I felt comfortable. I didn't feel welcome. He seems like a nice guy. She's easy to talk to. We don't talk much anymore. People change over time. That's how friendships work. Shopping, services, and money. I need to buy something. I'm just looking. How much is it? It's too expensive. That's affordable. I'll think about it. Do you have this in another size? I'll pay by card. I don't have cash. It's on sale. I got a discount. It's not worth it. I need a refund. I changed my mind. It's out of stock. I'll place an order. The service was great. I had a bad experience. I need customer support. I'll handle it later. Health, body, and well-being. I'm not feeling well. I have a headache. I need some rest. I'm feeling better now. I need to see a doctor. It's nothing serious. I'm under a lot of stress. I need to slow down. I'm trying to eat better. I work out regularly. I skipped the gym today. I need more sleep. I'm exhausted. I feel weak today. I'm taking medication. It helped a lot. I need to take care of myself. My body feels tense. I'm recovering. Health comes first. Explanation, cause, and effect. That's why it happened. Because of that, I changed my mind. The main reason is this. It happened by accident. It wasn't planned. One thing led to another. As a result, things changed. It makes a big difference. It doesn't matter that much. It depends on how you see it. In the end, it worked out. At first, I didn't like it. Over time, I got used to it. That explains a lot. It's related to this issue. There's a reason for that. Things don't happen overnight. It takes effort. That's how I see it. That's the point.
Simple argumentation and abstract ideas. I see it differently. That's not the main issue. The real problem is this. It doesn't add up. It sounds reasonable. I'm not convinced yet. There's more to it. That's only part of the story. It's a complex situation. I'm trying to understand it better. It raises some questions. I can see both sides. It's not that simple. It depends on the context. That's a fair point. It's open to interpretation. It's hard to say. I need more information. I might change my mind. Let's think about it. Storytelling and past experiences. Let me tell you a story. This happened a while ago. At that time, I was busy. I wasn't expecting that. Things didn't go as planned. I learned a lot from it. It was a tough moment. I handled it well. I could have done better. I don't regret it. Looking back, it makes sense. I was surprised. It caught me off guard. I didn't see it coming. It changed my perspective. I went through a lot. It was a valuable lesson. It shaped who I am. I moved on. Life goes on. Thinking, focus, and decisions. I need to think clearly. I'm overthinking this. I trust my judgment. I followed my instinct. I wasn't sure at first. I changed my approach. I made up my mind. I had second thoughts. I went back and forth. In the end, I decided to wait. I need to stay focused. I got distracted. I lost my focus. I'm back on track now. I need to prioritize. I can't do everything at once. Step by step, one thing at a time. It's a learning process. I'll figure it out. Clear communication and adjustments. That's not what I meant. Let me rephrase that. I didn't express myself well. What I'm trying to say is this. Maybe I wasn't clear. I'll explain it another way. Does that make sense? I hope I'm being clear. Let's get back to the point. Long story short, to be honest with you, between you and me, just to be clear, that's beside the point. Let's not get into that now. That's another topic. We'll talk about it later. Let's keep it simple. That's all I wanted to say. I'll stop here. Change, progress, and the future. I'm working on myself. I'm trying to improve. I've made some progress. It's getting easier. I'm moving forward. I'm on the right path. I still have a long way to go. I won't give up. I'll keep going. I'm learning from my mistakes. I've changed a lot. I'm more aware now. I feel more confident. I'm ready for the next step. I'm planning ahead. I'm setting goals. I'm taking action. It's a slow process. Good things take time. I trust the process. Natural reactions and fillers. Oh, really? That's interesting. I see. Right. Exactly. That's true. No way. Are you serious? That's surprising. I didn't expect that. That makes sense. Fair enough. I guess so. Probably. Maybe. I'm not sure. Who knows? Let's see. It happens. That's how it goes. Emotion, tone, and attitude. I'm glad to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. That's a relief. I feel the same way. I'm happy for you. That must be hard. I can imagine. I get how you feel. That's frustrating. It's disappointing. I'm proud of you. That means a lot. I appreciate it. Thanks, I needed that. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean to be rude. No worries. It's all good. Don't take it personally. It's not a big deal. Immediate actions and quick responses. I'll take care of it. I'm on it. I'll handle this. I'll get back to you. I'll let you know. I'll check it. I'll look into it. I'll fix it. I'll think about it. I'll see what I can do. Give me a second. Just a moment. Hang on a second. I'm almost done. I'm running late. I'm in a hurry. I'll be right back. I need to go now. Let's talk later. We'll see. Polite disagreement and boundaries. I don't think that's right. I see it differently. I'm not comfortable with that. I'd rather not do that. That doesn't work for me. I'm not okay with this. I don't see it that way. I respectfully disagree. That's not what I want. I need to say no. I can't agree with that. That's not acceptable. I'm setting boundaries. Let's be realistic. I won't accept that. That's crossing a line. I need some space. Let's slow things down. That's enough for now. Let's move on. Organization, order, and clarity. First of all, to start with. Then, after that. In the meantime. At the same time. On top of that. Besides that. In general. In most cases. From time to time. Little by little. Step by step. One thing at a time. In the long run. At the end of the day. When it comes to this. As a rule. More often than not. Overall, it's fine. That sums it up. Continuous flow and speech maintenance. You know what I mean. Like I said before, as I mentioned earlier, the point is, what happens is this. It goes like this. Let me break it down. Basically, it's simple. More or less. Kind of. In a way. To some extent. At some point. Sooner or later. One way or another. It comes down to this. That's how it works. That's all there is to it. You get the idea.
Nuance, softening, and diplomacy. I might be mistaken. Seems to me that, as far as I can tell, from what I've seen, I tend to think that I wouldn't say that. Not necessarily. In some cases, yes. It's not always like that. It varies a lot. That depends. It's a matter of perspective. It's hard to generalize. There's some truth to that. I see where you're coming from. I'm open to that idea. I'm not totally convinced. I'm willing to consider it. It's worth thinking about. I'll keep that in mind. Continuity, closing, and transitions. Anyway, moving on. So, going back to the point, by the way, that reminds me, speaking of which, before I forget, just to wrap it up, long story short, to sum it up, in short, that's pretty much it. That's all for now. We can talk later. Let's catch up soon. I'll be in touch. Let me know. Take care. Talk to you soon. See you around. Have a good one. Identity, values, and personal vision. I value my time. I know what I want. I'm clear about my goals. I'm doing my best. I try to be consistent. I care about quality. I prefer to keep things simple. I believe in discipline. I'm responsible for my choices. I'm focused on the long term. I trust myself. I've learned to be patient. I'm realistic. I'm open to change. I'm committed to improving. I take things seriously. I don't waste time. I stick to my principles. I know my limits. I'm okay with that. Total naturalness. It is what it is. That's fine with me. No problem at all. I'm good with that. Sounds good to me. That works for me. I'm okay either way. I can live with that. Let's do it. I'm in. Count me in. I'm out. I'll pass. Why not? It's up to you. Whatever works. I'm just saying. That's just how I feel. That's about right. Let's see how it goes.